Percentage is a number or the ratio as a fraction of 100 and it is denoted by the symbol percent. So how to convert percentage into ratios? To convert percentage into ratio, first convert into fraction and then write the ratio. Percentage is mainly used as the tool of comparison and the uniformity. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the temple of excellence. Today in this session I am going to take very important and simple chapter, that is percentage, profit and loss. This is very simple and important chapter. Let us discuss regarding percentage first, then profit and loss. Now in mathematics we might have been studied regarding percentage. Percentage is usually represented like this: 1%, 2%, 10%, 100%. So mathematics, the percentage is the number or ratio as fraction of 100. It is a number. Percentage is a number or the ratio as a fraction of 100 and it is denoted by the symbol percent. This is the percent. For example, 1%, 2%. So 2%. 100% like this. This is how we are going to represent the percentage, denoted as this symbol. Now the word percent consists of two words, that is per and cent. So the word percentage is divided into two parts, that is per and cent. So per means each, per means each and cent means 100. That is the meaning. For each 100, that is per means each and cent means 100, that is why it is called as a percentage, means each 100, that is a ratio as a fraction of 100, a ratio of fraction of 100. So thus the percentage means on each 100 or for each 100, for each 100 or on each 100. Now what are the uses and where we are commonly use the concept of percentage? So we frequently come across the statements like the price of petrol is hiked by 3% or 4% or 5%. So our college has got 97% result, 97% result. 60% of the staff are women. So percentage is mainly used as the tool of comparison and the uniformity. So it is used as a tool of comparison as well as the uniformity. So here the percentages are used in calculation of interest, brokerage, dividend, population and depreciation, right. So here the percentages are used in calculation of the interest. In the calculation of interest we are using the percentage, right, that is rate of interest, and the brokerage again percentage, dividend, then population, percentage of the population, and also the percentage of the depreciation. All these are calculated by the concept of a percentage. Now let us come to the different types. Conversion of a fraction into percentage. So there are different categories, different types. So first one is the conversion of a fraction into percentage. Now how to convert a fraction into percentage? So to convert a fraction into percentage, just multiply by 100 and put percentage symbol, that's all. So to convert any given number into percentage, just multiply by 100 and put the percentage symbol. That means to convert a fraction, here 2 by 5 is a fraction. This fraction 2 by can be converted into 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Just to convert the fraction into percentage, just multiply by 100. So if you multiply by 100, 5 into 20, 5 20 is 100. 2 into 20, 2 into 20, that's equal to 40%. So 2 by 5 is nothing but 40%. This is how we are going to calculate the fraction in terms of percentage. Okay. Now move on to simple problem. Let us take, so you may expect this type of questions for 1 mark. Now let's move on to the next problem. Convert 5 by 8, 3 by 2 and 1 by 4 fractions into the percentage. The first one, 5 by 8. 5 by 8 can also be written as 5 by 8 into 100. That is nothing but 500 divided by 8. 500 divided by 8. What is this equal to? So if you divide, you will get 62.5%. Right. So 5 by 8 is equal to 62.5%. The second one, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 100. This can also be, if it is possible to divide it. So 100 by 2 is nothing but 50. 5 3s are 50. 150%. This is 150%. Right. Now move on to the next one. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 100. So 100 by 4 is nothing but 25. 1 into 25 is equal to 25%. 1 by 4 is nothing but 25%. So this is how we are going to express the fraction in terms of percentage. Hope you followed, right? Now let's move on to the next concept, that is conversion of a percentage into fraction. Reverse case. Here first case is fraction into percentage. Now percentage to fraction. How to convert percentage into fraction? To convert percentage into fraction, divide by 100 and reduce the fraction to its simplest form. To convert the percentage into fraction, just divide by 100 and reduce the fraction into the simplest form. Now let us consider first example. Let us convert 25% into fraction. So how to convert 25% into fraction? What is the procedure? To convert percentage into fraction, divide by 100. So 25% is equal to 25 by 100. Now then fraction is reduces to simplest form. Reduce the fraction to the simplest form. So 25 ones are 25 fours are. So therefore 25% is nothing but 1 by 4. So the percentage of 25 in terms of fraction is 1 by 4. That's it. Hope you followed, right? Now move on to the next problem. Let us take this. Convert the following percentage into fraction: 30%, 60% and 75%. Now the first one, 30%. That's equal to, what is the procedure? Just divided by 100. 30 by 100, 0, 0 gets cancelled, 3 by 10. That's all. You cannot further simplify. 3 by 10 is the fraction for this 30%. Right. Now next, 60% is equal to 60 by 100. That is nothing but 6 by 10. Again convert 6 by 10. You can divide by 2. 2 3s are 2 5s are. 3 by 5. 60% is also equal to 3 by 5 in terms of fraction. Right. Now next, 75%. That's equal to 75 divided by 100. So you can divide by 25. 25 3s are 25 4s are. 75 is also equal to 3 by 4. So you can divide by 25. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. 3 by 4 is the fraction for 75%. Right. Now let's move on to the next concept. Next, conversion of percentage into ratios. So how to convert percentage into ratios? To convert percentage into ratio, first convert into fraction and then write the ratio. Just convert the given percentage into fraction, then write the ratio. That's it. Very simple. Convert 20% into ratio. How to convert 20% into ratio? 20% can also be written as 20 divided by 100. That is nothing but 2 by 10. That's equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. What is the ratio? The ratio is equal to 1:5. That's it. 20% can also be written as 1:5 ratio. Right. Now move on to the next problem. Similarly, convert the following percentage into ratio: 25%, 30% and 80%. Now first one, 25%. First convert into the fractions. How to convert into fraction? Just divide by 100. Now divide it. Convert to the simplest form. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So therefore 25% is also equal to 1:4. 25% is nothing but 1:4. Right. Now move on to the next one. What is the next one? 30%. 30% can be known as 30 divided by 100. That's equal to 0, 0 gets cancelled, 3 by 10. You cannot further simplify this. So this can be written as 3:10. 3:10. Now next one, 80%. That's equal to 80 divided by 100. 0 and 0 gets cancelled, 80 by 10. Now you can divide by 2. 2 4s are 2 5s are. So 4 by 5. 4 divided by 5 means this is nothing but 4:5. The percentage, the ratio is equal to 4:5. That's it. This is how we are going to convert the percentage into ratios. Percentage into ratio. Right. Now move on to the next concept, conversion of ratio into percentage. Now the reverse. The first one is percentage into ratios. Now this one, ratios into percentage. So how to convert ratios into percentage? To convert the ratio into percentage, first convert the ratio into fraction and then multiply by 100. First convert the ratio into fractions, then multiply by 100. Now let us take an example. Convert 4:7 as the percentage. How to convert 4:7 in terms of percentage? Now very simple concept. So 4:7 can also be written as 4 by 7. Just multiply by 100. That's it. 4 by 7 into 100. What is this equal to? This is nothing but 400 divided by 7. Now, if you divide, what you will get? This is nothing but 57.14%. So, therefore, 4:7 is nothing but 57.14%. So, ratios is converted into fraction. Just convert the fraction and multiply. Yes, just percentage first convert into the fraction, then multiply by 100. That's it. Now, take similar type problem. Convert the following ratios into percentage. 1:2, 2:5 and 4:7. Now, let us move on to the first one. 1:2 can be written as 1 by 2. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 100. 1 by 2 into 100 is nothing but 50. That's equal to 50%. 1 by 2. 1:2 is nothing but 50%. Okay. Now, next one. Second, 2:3. That is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 100. What is this equal to? 2 into 100 divided by 3 is 33.33. That's equal to 66.66%. 2 by 3 is equal to 66.66%. That's it. Now, next one. 4:7. 4:7 can be written as 4 divided by 7. That is 4 by 7 into 100. That is nothing but 400 divided by 7. What is 400 divided by 7? That is nothing but 57.14. 57.14%. That's it. This is how we are going to convert the ratios into percentage. Now move on to the next problem, that is conversion of percentage into decimals. This is also very important. To convert percentage into decimals, divide by 100 and write the result in decimal form. So, to convert the percentage to decimal, first divide by 100 and write the result in the decimal form. Now, let us take an example. Convert 42% into decimal form. So, divide by 100 first and write the result in the decimal form. Okay. Now, convert 42%. 42% into decimal, that's equal to 42 divided by 100 is nothing but 0.42. 0.4. So, this is how the percentage can be converted into the decimal form. 42% is equal to 0.42. Right. Now, let us take few more examples. 30%, 42%, 120%. First one, 30%. That's equal to 30 divided by 100. That is nothing but 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is equal to, what is 3 by 10? That is nothing but 0.3. Now, let us move on to the next. 42%. 42 divided by 100. 42 by 100 is nothing but 0.42. That's it. Okay. Next, 120%. 120% is nothing but 120 divided by 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 12 by 10. That is nothing but 12 by 10 is nothing but 1.2. That's it. 1.2. So, this is how we are going to convert the percentage into decimals. Now, move on to the last concept, that is conversion of decimal to percentage. Conversion of decimals. The previous one is percentage to decimal. Now it is decimal to percentage. To convert decimal into percentage, just multiply by 100. See the difference. To convert percentage into decimal, we are going to divide by 100. Now let us take few examples. Convert the decimal to percentage. Okay, how to convert the percentage into decimal? So convert 1.25 into percentage. 1.25. So to convert decimal to percentage, just multiply by 100. That's all. Right. So convert 1.25 into percentage. 1.25 can also be written as 1.25 into just multiply by 100. 1.25 into 100 is nothing but 125. 125. So 1.25 is also equal to 125. That is 1.25 decimal can be written as in terms of percentage as 125%. Right. Now let us take few more examples. Convert the following decimal to the percentage: 0.32, 0.06, 0.8. Now the first one, 0.32 can also be written as 0.32 into 100. What is this equal to? 0.32 into 100 is nothing but 32. Now move on to the next one, 0.06. This is equal to 0.06 into 100. What is this equal to? This is equal to 6. 32%, this is 6%. Now the last one, 0.28 is equal to 0.28 into 100. 0.28 into 100 is nothing but 28%. That's it. This is how we are going to convert the given values into percentage or decimals or in terms of fractions or in terms of ratios. Now let us take few problems. 12.5% of 1 hour 40 minutes. 12.5%. Now let us convert 1 hour into minutes. 1 hour plus 40 minutes. This can be written as 60 minutes plus 40 minutes. That's equal to 100 minutes. Now 12.5% of 100 minutes. 12.5% is nothing but 12.5%. Now 12.5% of 100 minutes. 12.5% of 100 minutes is nothing but 12.5 by 100 into 100, that's equal to 12.5 itself. So 12.5% of 1 hour 40 minutes is 12.5. That is the required answer. Hope you followed. Okay. Now what is the problem? What percent is 64 meters? 64 meters of 112, that is 12 kilometers. Now first convert 12 kilometers into meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now therefore 12 kilometers is equal to 12 into 1000, that is nothing but 12,000 meters. 12 kilometers is equal to 12,000 meters. Now what percent is 64 meters of 12 kilometers? That is 1200. Let x be the required percentage. X be the required percentage. Now given, what is given? X percentage of 12,000, given x percentage of 12,000 is equal to 64. Now how to write this? X percentage of 12,000, x percent is nothing but x by 100 into 12,000 is equal to 64. That is x into these two zeros gets cancelled. 120 is equal to 64. X is equal to 64 divided by 120. That's it. What is 64 by 120? So this is equal to 0.5333%. So therefore x is equal to 0.5333%. That is 0.533% of 12,000 meters is 64 meters. That's it. Okay. This is how we are going to simplify. Just very simple. Since we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, 12 kilometers is equal to 12,000 meters. Therefore, x is the required percentage. x percentage of 12,000 is equal to 64, that is given. X by 100 into 12,000 is equal to 64, or x into 120 is equal to 64. Therefore, x is equal to 64 by 120 is approximately 0.5333%. So, 0.533% of 12,000 is 64. That is it. Now, what percent is 4 by 5 of 125? Now, we have to find out the percent. What percent of 4 by 5 is 125? Now, let us consider let x is the required number. Let x is the required number. Let x be the required number. Okay. Now, what is given? Given x percent of 125, given x percent of 125 is equal to 4 by 5. What is the meaning? X percent of 125 means x by 100 into 125 is equal to 4 by 5. Just cross multiply, that is it. What is this equal to? X into 125 into 5 is equal to 4 into 100. That is it. Now, what is x is equal to? X is equal to 4 into 100 divided by 125 into 5. 4 into 100 is 400. 125 into 5 is 625. 400 divided by 625 will give the answer. That is it. Okay. This is nothing but 0.64. So, therefore, x is equal to 0.64%. So, 0.64%, x is equal to 0.64%. 0.64% is the required answer. That is it. This is how we are going to solve. These are all a simple problem for 2 marks, right? Hope you followed this. That is regarding the conversion for 1 mark and 2 marks. Now, that is all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.